So we're taking a video through the window. Equipment is a 35mm camera, tripod, and a monitor. It's easy to set up, doesn't take much effort. Camera lies in the tripod. We can see outside the window the bird. At the same time we can see the bird inside on the monitor, which makes it easy to know what you're doing. And now we get our bird on the monitor and we're shooting, and these are some examples of what we've done in the past. This is the same bird that we looked at on the monitor. These are other birds done previously with the same setup.